Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a mini diffuser. These compact devices are fantastic for bringing the calming or invigorating scents of essential oils into your personal space. They are designed for portability and ease of use, making them ideal for small areas like your office desk, car, or even a hotel room. Let's get started. First, gently remove the top cover of your mini diffuser to access the water tank. Next, fill the tank with clean tap water, being careful not to exceed the indicated maximum fill line. Finally, add about 3 to 5 drops of your favorite essential oil directly into the water. This creates your aromatic blend. If you're finding this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. And on another note, if you love creating a relaxing atmosphere, why not pair it with a good book? You can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once filled, replace the cover and press the power button to begin diffusing. For best results, position your mini diffuser on a flat, stable surface away from direct sunlight or drafts. To maintain its performance, remember to clean the water tank weekly. Simply wipe it out with a damp cloth and mild soap, then rinse thoroughly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.